Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so today's video is on pretty party ponytails. We have some new ones. Yes, we do. They came out with a new collection, and so I'm going to try those two, and we're also going to talk about the Ruby for those of you that have not seen my previous videos. We'll talk about that one as well, and I'll show you how simple it is to go from not having a ponytail to having a stunning ponytail. Super easy. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, for those of you that have watched my channel for any length of time, especially last year, I became obsessed with the Pretty Party Ponytail, the Ruby. That is their first ponytail, and I bought it from an Instagram ad. And I said, this is never gonna work, but I like trying new things. I was obsessed, and then you guys became obsessed when I showed you how easy it was. It was by far the highest selling extension that I have ever shown, and I've shown quite a bit of extensions, but you loved it. I know why you love it, but I love it too. I've already started rocking it because our weather is changing and we're getting a little more into spring, and I'm like, yay! Let's talk about my hair, just so you're aware, and then we'll move in and I will show you how. I'll show you the two new ponytails that I picked up from them, and I'll also show you, for those of you that have not seen the Ruby, I will show you the Ruby, and then I will also in the description box put a link not only to Pretty Party Pony, and they give you a discount code. They were very sweet enough to offer a discount code to y'all. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I love the product, and it's perfect for spring. So let's talk about my hair. I have very, very thick hair, which does not bode well for ponytails. It just doesn't. My ponytail looks like this. Yeah. Not much of a ponytail. And so my hair is very thick. The other thing is, since my hair is thick, during the summer, I find myself constantly just putting it up in a bun, or just off of my shoulder or face, or away from my face. I hate it, but that's not really, there's not a style to that. I mean, yes, I do updos all the time and stuff, but like for an everyday thing, no. So when I found the first product, which was the Ruby, I fell in love. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one here, and I'm gonna show you the Ruby and the other two. I will tell you all three of them are in medium Auburn. And let me tell you another thing. Recently, and I mean within the last 2 weeks, Pretty Party has added 6. So they have a total of something like 6 reds. That is unheard of. You look at extensions, regardless of whether they're ponytails or tape-ins or whatever, and you're lucky you get 2 as a redhead. So we have 6 now to choose from. So what I'm rocking is the medium Auburn. Now let me also say I'm rocking gray hair. Ooh, because my e-salon order is in shipping, so it'll be here this week, and I'll be doing a video on e-salon updating you, because I will be changing the color, going less mahogany, more copper for summer, so it will match even better. And of course there'll be no gray hair as well. And in that box is also my root touch-up, so I'm out of my roots and my empties. I'm like, sometimes. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's show the new ponytails. Yay! All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started and try out some of the new products from Pretty Party Pony. Y'all know I was obsessed and am obsessed with their Pretty Party Ponytail, the Ruby. Last year I wore it all year long, and I started wearing it again this year as spring is approaching. So this is what the Pretty Party Ruby looks like this is in the color Auburn, and it has this flexible wire in it. I've done many videos. I will list it in the description box. I will show you a picture here, several pictures here of my wearing it. It's great because it's the simplest thing to do. You don't need to put your hair in a bun. With this one you do, with the next one I'm going to show you, you do. But this one is great. It's beautiful. I love it. My only tip is if you do have thick hair, get 2. You'll need 2. There are times when I actually wear 3. And again, there's tons of videos of this particular one. So this year they came out with a couple new ponies, completely different. I did get it in the medium Auburn. Look at this color. So gorgeous. This one is the Gemma, and so it has this slight curl to it. You can see it's not perfectly straight. This is 22 inches. They also have it 26 inches. So this will match better when I go more copper than mahogany. For the summer I went, for the fall I went more mahogany. So the way this works is this is completely different. This has, like you can see here, like a little comb right here. There's Velcro right here to wrap around, and then there's this little piece here that wraps around so you don't see the rubber band. So the first thing you want to do is put it in a bun. Now, I have very thick hair, so this little hole right here is not gonna wrap around this bun no matter how. There's no way for me to get my bun small enough, but it doesn't matter. It'll work anyways. Okay, so this is how they will come, both the Shayna and the Gemma. So this is the Shayna 22 and this is straight. Once you break the seal, there's a seal on here, it's yours to keep. So you can always hold it up and see if it matches. See, this is perfectly straight versus a slight curl with the Gemma. So you can see the difference. Let me back up here. These are both 22 inches long. There you go. Color is stunning. Look at that. Oh, love. The other thing that will come in here, so again, same concept. It has the little comb and it has this piece, and I will show you this. It's so gorgeous. They're just, I love their hair. It is synthetic hair, but you can on very low heat curl and straighten if you want, but the whole idea is that, you know, you get curl and straighten. It also comes with rubber bands to match the color, as well as bobby pins to match the color, or at least somewhat close. And then a cute little bag to store your extension in. So very cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in, and then we'll talk about how I feel about this versus the Ruby. So you're gonna take that little clip. I have the smallest ponytail, or I have the smallest bun I could possibly make, and I just made it with some, put it in with a rubber band as well as bobby pins. Now I'm gonna take this little clip and go backwards, okay? And I'm gonna just put it really close into that bun and then flip this back. This is how I do it. Now, we have this little beautiful tail right here. So we have that Velcro, which is here, and we have the other side, which is here. For me, it's not going to go all the way around at all. I would suggest that they come up with bigger, wider hair, but it still works because I already have my hair in a bun, so it's just a matter of having this day. So I'm just wrapping the little tail part around until it ends, and it usually ends on the side of my hair. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins and secure it in place. And you guys, that's as easy as it is. So this is the 22 inch. They also have a 26 inch. So again, I'm just going to add a few bobby pins here to maybe, you know, 3 of them, just to keep it secure. And that's it, you guys. That is it. It's so pretty, y'all, and they're instantaneous. Let me show you the back. See, look at that. So cute, right? Covers up everything you need. So cute. You can put it on either side. I like the 22, so 26 would be definitely down below your my breast. So there you go. It's secure, you guys. This is not going anywhere, even though the Velcro is not attached. Let's go ahead and take it out, and I will show you the Shayna. Holding this, so let's, okay, so see, that's where the Velcro is, and so that little extra hair, look how, I mean, come on, it comes right off. That little extra hair hides that black little piece. Okay, so let's do the Shayna next. Again, 22 inches. I think that's a good length for me. Again, same thing. Okay, so if you don't want to flip you could do it this way too. I don't flip my hair over and I'll just go like this. Here we go. So from this, flip up, put the little clip in. Now, normally, and the great thing is you don't have a ponytail to deal with, so it's just wrapping this little extra piece around. So you go around your hair, and it hides the Velcro, which is right here. So you just want to make sure that you're hiding. And if you have thin hair, oh, the Velcro is going to work beautifully. There we go. And then just take a bobby pin. I'm going to put 2 of them in. Okay, so this is more of the straight. And there we go. So you put it on the side and see how this is more of a straight look? So cute. I haven't worn this one yet. Oh my gosh, so cute. Really cute. Okay, love this. Okay, so what are my thoughts on Pretty Party Pony's new ponytails? Okay, so these are the wrap ones. I love them. I just can't help it. This is not sponsored video, by the way. I absolutely love their extensions. This one is so great because it's super, I mean, I wish you could feel, I was about to say, feel this. You can't feel it. It's so nice and light for summer. That's what I love. Spring and summer, it's perfect. I'll be rocking them all summer long. Get used to it. So let's talk about the Ruby versus the Gemma versus the Shayna. The Ruby is, okay, here's the thing. I love all of them. And I don't think one is necessarily better than the other. The color is extraordinary. Medium Auburn is beautiful. If you are a redhead that has copper highlights in your hair, then medium Auburn is probably a really great color if you have my hair color. And even when it's not, you can see, look, if I get really close, let's get close. You can see it's not a perfect match. This is more coppery. I have more mahogany and gray right now. You would not know it except for the gray. So now let's talk about the Ruby. Okay, so the Ruby has this flexible wire. Here's the thing about the Ruby that makes it so great. One, you cannot mess the Ruby up. But however far you pull through will be how long your ponytail is. So if you just want to wrap it once, it's going to be a long pony. If you want to pull it up, it's going to be a shorter pony. If you add 2 or 3 of them, you could do where it pulls like this. And then you have the third one in the back covering. So that's the beauty. Versatility. This is extremely versatile. Now, with regards to the Gemma and the Shayna. So the Shayna is the straight, gorgeous. I mean, look at this, just beautiful. I mean, it's just like, you just want to walk around going, I feel like I dream a genie. It's just beautiful. And the only difference between Shayna and Gemma are one has a slight curl to it and the other is straight as straight can be. I I love both of them. I have a very thick bun. I'm gonna get my hair thinned out, which will help make it look even better because my bun is just so freaking huge. Because I have such thick hair, so I do get it thinned out for spring and summer. But if you have thin hair, oh girl, these are for you, because if you have thin hair, this is going to work so beautifully. For now, the other thing is, I like a high pony. That's just me. You could put it down here and have a longer, you could put it anywhere, wherever you want to put it, and then just slide it in and wrap it around. So if you like a low pony or even a low pony, you can do that with these extensions. So it's great. I love them. All right, guys, so that is my review on Pretty Party Pony. I love them. I love the new ones. They're so lightweight. You will not feel like you have anything in your hair. I mean, it's crazy how light they are. And so I love them. Whether you're a blonde or brunette, or redhead, that there's now like 6 colors for us, they'll have a color for you. And the other thing is, if you are wanting to rock pink, I did pink for my 1-year breast cancer survival. I rocked a pink. They have really pretty colors if you want to have a little fun too. So yeah, I'm loving it, and I hope you guys did too. If you enjoyed this video, take a minute, give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.